as I put it on pause, I found two. I'm turning my music down. Way down. Not that I need you to hear me, but it says I need something in the background. Keep my brain kind of wiry, I suppose. Where's Mr. Blue? Where'd you go? Get over here. 3 screws. Okay. I always put blue on these screws. Like I say, blue is not the strongest, but it's strong enough to stop any them backing out, as long as you don't play with them. Every time you should put more blue onto it, just to keep it correct, I suppose. Oh, wrong one. Where'd you go? The idea is to put them all in alignment first. I'm wearing my good shirt today, and I shouldn't be doing this, but I'm one of my good shirts. And you, my friend, you get to hide away in here. It's a tricky move here. You get in there. Yeah. Alright, bring the Wally. There. Don't go overly with the screws. The glue will make it stay for sure. Okay, I'm just going to test these wires for a sec. Now, we're able to put this back into position now. Okay, get a little grease. I just like to smear it a wee bit on. That should be good enough. Where are you? Come on, let's go. There. Okay. Take my spring, put it in the crown, take my screw, put it in the washer. Insert it in with holding down the spring in torque tension. Get in there. There. Screw this into the quickly spring. Don't want to get spring up there. Okay. Give it a little pinch. Excuse me. Tighten as much as you can. Then you take your side cutters. I give her an extra cinch until she basically locks. This will not be easy to undo with a regular screwdriver. There you go. Yeah, man. Alright. Now, take the girdle. got to run smooth and I saw some of these come in that were dropped, and they all, oh, these got to fit so snugly into channels. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Come on, there you go, one side. Both have to fit perfectly. There we go. I'll bring you in just a bit more. I'll attach the top, the cap, just 2 specific screws. Alright. Everything fits in channels and supposed to fit just nickety tickety boo. Phillips, where'd you go? Like I say, bring it down. Don't cinch anything up, always. Something my dad taught me. If you only do 1 screw and you're supposed to do 2, you'll always skew it if you tighten it too much. Or 9 times out of 10. It's just not worth doing it. There we go. Now, tighten them both. And give each a cinch without over craziness. Get in there. And yep. Oh, before I do that, come back off, please. Got one test. The test being, well, first of all, I have to put the other screws on and complete the job. What am I doing? Come here, Super Blue. Alright, things were rattled. There's a million things to do on these things, so quit laughing. Okay. An alignment of this thing could be a little tricky for the first shot. I want to do it so it's aligned with the hole on the inside there, which sometimes can be a pain in the ass. Oh, get in there. Something's thinner. No, yeah, that'll do it. No, it won't. Come on, stay. There. If you can get one side in and it's secured, there we go. It looks like me. Oh, come on, kitty. She locks, yes. This one should line up fairly nicely. I said nicely. Okay. Both are in, yes, locked. Alright, now we've got to test this. This is what, it's the spring. I want it to 30, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 17, 16. 0. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Usually I do it without the cap. Everything's a wee bit out of order. A wee bit out of order. Which is not unheard of the Randy show. Out of order. There we go. Slide in there, baby, all the way up so I can anchor you. Now these two screws, they on. All right. This basically locks to the outer frame, or to the inner frame, and then you cap off with a couple of these screws. But which one was going through here first? Are you going to be easy? Yes, you are. All right. Old machine has got stickers and all sorts of stuff on here I'm not about to scrape off. Now, one last thing. Put on a new, I can't remember what the heck these are called. Wire guides of some sort. Okay, where are you, tool? See if I can do this correctly. As easily as possible. As easy as possible. Suppose I could have done it before I... There you go. That's good. You're not coming out. Number 2 done. I think that's enough for the Graphic Wizard, or the M-121 Tablmatics. There you go, ready to plug in and do another billion numbering machines. Let's see what we got here. So it started like that, and it completely dried out. There you go, nice, clean, smooth, all oiled up. All the burrs and everything taken off. So that's number 2. Have a great day. Bye.